Welcome to TRW Credit Live. My name is Danny Arrington. That's me there. I do a live Q&A and interview show every Tuesday and Thursday at trwcreditlive.com. That's the address there below, and you are more than welcome to join me there every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I mean, I talk to mortgage brokers and lenders on there. I interview people, but really that live show on Tuesdays and Thursdays is really just to give the general public the facts about credit repair. It's a very misunderstood industry. If you're not careful, you'll get misled by collection agencies, credit card companies, and the attorneys that represent them. We bring the facts to the table and explain to people, empower people, bring to people's awareness the fact that you can, in fact, move your scores significantly in a very short period of time. The responsibility to prove that someone owns a debt and owes a debt does not lie on the back of the consumer. It lies on the back of the creditor. We simply teach people to use the Fair Credit Reporting Act to their advantage. That's why the laws were written, and we bring that to people and educate them on it. Now, why am I shooting this video today? I usually bring my content live. It's usually in living color, but today I wanted to shoot a very special presentation, and I'm going to direct this video at loan officers and mortgage brokers. Now, if you're maybe you're an automobile dealer, finance manager, you're going to be able to benefit from this video as well. But I'm going to basically show you guys today how you can survive and thrive in any market, whether we're talking about a buyer's market, a seller's market, high rates, low rates, doesn't matter. How do you do it? Very simply, you put every non-qualified borrower, all those people you're turning down right now, you put them into a credit repair system. You're going to have an overflowing pipeline of qualified borrowers coming out on the other end who are eager to close with you and nobody else. They will not talk to other people when you've put them through this process. We'll talk more about that in just a few minutes. Now, how can we help? It's very simple. Here, we're going to order credit bureaus from the big three. You know them: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They're going to come, those credit reports are going to come to your client's home, and your clients are going to fax them into TRW Credit. We don't waste time. Listen to me. We do not waste time reviewing each account with your client. We go after every single derogatory item on all three reports, and we don't stop until we are happy with our results. We remove bankruptcies. We remove tax liens, civil liens, judgments, foreclosures. Now, it's important for me to say, as I move through repossessions and foreclosures and bankruptcies, it's important to qualify that. Yes, we will remove them completely and permanently off their credit reports, okay? But we do not change the fact that there is on record somewhere a bankruptcy. There's still going to be, files, courthouses, or what have you, that they're there. They're just not going to be on the credit report anymore because we will have legally and permanently had them removed. All right? So I have a question. If you take your client from a 500 to a 700, do you think that the insurance companies will hand them better interest rates or better insurance rates? Absolutely. Will you be able to give them a better term and better interest rates? Yes, you will. Will you be able to justify a higher fee than the competition? Yes, you will. You will no longer have to compete with the rest of the marketplace based on fees and points and all that stuff. You'll be able to charge a premium, a value that you're worth because you are taking your service to the next level. Emergency financial needs now by your clients are able to be met because they are able to right now, I can tell you there's a huge segment of our society right now that's living paycheck week to week and paycheck to paycheck. If their tire blows out on their car, it's catastrophic. They're on Thursdays, they're waiting to get paid on Friday just to be able to eat. If their tire blows out, it's going to devastate them because they don't have the credit scores necessary to go and handle that at a tire store, a Sears, or something. They don't have that credit availability. Moving them from a 5 to a 700 score is going to make them much more secure. Employers are going to see them in a better light, and they're going to experience far less stress. All right? And to me, that's how you really deliver a value to a client. So mortgage guys call me a lot. They're asking me, Danny, how fast can we get something done? Now, I know you guys want to get your loans closed. And a lot of times, even if somebody's got a 570, mortgage brokers will call me up saying, I want to close them next week. Well, guys, we can't work that quickly. We are not a quick fix, but we are a guaranteed fix. All right? But we're probably never as fast as you want us to be. I'm getting people an average of 120 to 200 point credit score increases, and it's taken right now about 90 to 120 days to do that. Other credit repair companies take a year to see any difference at all, and they charge your client for each item that they investigate, not that they remove. They don't guarantee anything. They charge you for each item on each individual bureau. It can be very, very expensive to go with a system like that. In other words, if you have one charge off on 3 reports and you send them through some companies, you're making your client get charged on three different charges. Now, not only do we only charge one time, our deletions permanently stay off your bureaus forever. We use the letter of the law in your client's favor. The Fair Credit Reporting Act was written to protect the consumer. We take full advantage of the law. We flat out bust our butts to make this happen on every file that comes into our office. How would it feel to know that you can make every borrower an A paper borrower? How would it feel to pull someone's credit and see a 520, a 540, multiple charge-offs, maybe a few decent stuff from, maybe they paid bills on time for a few years, but in the last year they've had a real hard time. How would it feel to look at that and know that there was still a solution for that borrower, that you would still be able to close that client, add value, and make a lot of money? Plus, we've got 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. If your client isn't happy when we're done with the file, we're going to give them a full refund. All right? So you can't beat that. Finally, I want to talk to you a little bit about my motto there is we give your client better credit. We let you do better business. We offer your clients better lives. We're licensed. We're bonded. Again, we offer the 0% financing, has a money-back guarantee. We can put your clients into credit repair starting right now for only $99, has 4 easy payments, and the best part is we start with the credit repair immediately. We don't wait till it's paid off. By the time your clients made their last payment, their credit scores have already jumped 120 to 200 points. And we approve every single person for this, no matter what their credit history says. We also have a computer tracking system for you and your clients. So you can actually, let's say you're sending us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people per month. You can actually go into our proprietary tracking system and have access and see what's going on with each client's files. So if you're a broker, if you're an agent, if you're an attorney, a car dealer, pay attention to this, all right? You put someone into TRW Credit Repair, you're going to change their life, period. We track everything for you, and you can even access all of your referrals to us in our proprietary system. You're going to convert more applications to deals, period, no question. But what you may not have stopped to think about is that when you do that, and you're adding so much additional value, and you're closing so many more clients, and you're closing clients that have been told no again and again and again. Those are going to be the people that champion you, your name, your company to the public. They're going to be out there getting you referrals. Instead of turning a client down and moving on to the next one, every single turn down suddenly becomes an accessible part of your pipeline. Again, more money. Increased closings, bottom line, more money. Now, you remember at the beginning of the show, I asked you how a lender, broker, or finance manager could stay in business in any economy. I hope you see the answer now. Very simply, you turn non-qualified people into qualified people. You do that by putting them into a credit repair service that's dependable and guaranteed and they can easily afford. That's it. So, we repair your credit. We repair your client's life. My name's Danny Arrington. Right there's I'm the National Service Director. Right there's my phone number. Please call me, 864-608-4221. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them for you. My show is, again, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 p.m. Eastern. Just go to trwcreditlive.com, and I forget the name of the button on there, but you'll see it right at the top on one of the tabs. Click on our live show. Boom, we'll be there. Feel free to participate and play. All right? Until next time, I'm Danny Arrington. Remember, we repair your credit. We repair your life. We'll see you next time.